Before you watch this video, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. I'm honored to see you guys on our next journey. Peace and plants. Now guys, always remember, this is what you can do with all of your aquatic plants. How to, hands-on, dividing and moving of the Thalia Dalbata. Let's go. We got some help on this one. It's a big boy, guys. So we're looking for the basket first. There are tons of roots coming out of this basket, guys. We want to keep all of our stones in place as much as we can. It's very difficult, but we're going to do it. These roots on this Thalia Dalbata are hugging the rocks. They do not want to let them go. We're going to get a spade shovel and we're going to carefully pry the roots off of the Thalia. Now guys, always remember, this is what you can do with all of your aquatic plants. They should all be in a pot, a crate or something, so that you can actually do this. It'll be easier for you. So let's go. Spade. Carefully, guys, carefully. It is moving. Now I'm gonna take over on the shovel for a second. You may lose some of your plants when you're doing this, guys, but it is okay. Most of our aquatic plants grow like water. Right now, we're gonna separate the roots that are actually holding the rocks, because again, we wanna keep everything in place. We don't wanna mess up this natural ecosystem that has been created here. So we have a liner at the bottom of this crate. We do not want to lift the liner. The liner is holding rocks and everything else in place. We have to be very, very, very careful. I'm using a hand trowel right now to get down in there. Make sure your feeding is right at all times. You do not want to mess up anything in the pond. You don't want to fall in. That is a purposeful thing. When you are not being conscious, make sure to be conscious. This will work. Spade. Okay. Go from this side. Look at those roots on this Thalia. Guys, this was not an easy job. We needed a razor, we needed a spade shovel, and we needed a hand trowel, and we also needed our minds. Guys, this was not easy, but we used each and every one of those tools, and Thalia Dalbata is out of the pond. Be very, very careful of the liner that is at the bottom. You do not want to lift the liner. It has things in place like rocks and a natural ecosystem like we speak about. You do not want to disturb it. So this is why we had to be very careful. We couldn't just yank the plant out of the pond. You do not want to do that. We'll let you know what we're doing next with our thalia. As stated before, our pruning. Peace and plants.